Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Make Him Love You. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification button to get updates every time I drop a new video. This video is going to be talking about how to deal with toxic people, right? So, we've all encountered them in life. They're everywhere, and the best thing is to not even get involved with them. But today we're going to be getting into in depth of how to deal with them, right? How I deal with them is I ignore them. But not everybody has that same way about them, right? So for example, you have men that are toxic. I'm not gonna lie, me being a man, you do have men out there that are just nothing but toxic energy. Every time you're around them, they got something negative to say, right? And it's all toxic. So we're gonna be discussing how to deal with that and that toxic energy, and how to really not get around it, but just go through it, right? Because here on this channel, Make Him Love You, we don't go around our problems, we go through our problems, right? We go through our problems. So the first thing you want to do is ignore attention seekers, right? Ignore people that are trying to seek attention, because people that are trying to seek attention, you know what else they're trying to seek? They're trying to seek trouble. Okay? They're trying to seek trouble, and they're not going to tell you, and you're going to have to watch out for some signs, right? If somebody's always starting a ruckus, if somebody's always trying to start something with somebody for the smallest thing, ignore that person altogether, right? Altogether. So ignore the first step is ignore attention seekers, people that are trying to seek attention. Now, not everybody that's trying to seek attention is a negative person. I want to start off by saying that. Okay? So, what I mean by that is, somebody could want, a man could want your undivided attention. It doesn't mean he's negative, right? It's not what it means. But people that are constantly trying to seek attention, right? Those naggy people, they're nagging. They're just not, you just ignore them. The best thing to do is just to ignore those people. Number 2 is, don't share your secrets with people that gossip. Okay? We all have met these people that gossip, and they talk behind people's back. And, just do not share any sort of information with these people, because trust and believe, they're gonna tell you information out. And if you're talking to a guy and you're trying to build a relationship with this man, and he's a gossip guy, guess what he's gonna do? He's gonna go and tell all his homies how his experience with you was, right? And you just don't need that drama. You don't need him to do that, right? You don't need that extra stress. That's all it is. It's extra stress. You don't need it. You just don't need it. You don't need that drama. So, and how can I tell that he's a person that does gossip, right? That spews gossip. Well, how you can tell is he's going to spew gossip in front of you. He's going to, tell his friend's business to you. He's going to tell business that, doesn't have to be told in front of you. And when he does that, you could just nod your head and say, okay, but don't you go sharing any secrets. Don't you go saying anything you're not supposed to, because guess what? He's going to share it to the next person, right? So you don't want that. And then if you build a relationship with this person, it's going to get worse, because then he's going to tell his homies about you, right? And you don't need that. You don't need that. We don't need that, right? Not on Make Him Love You. Not on Make Him Love You. So, the third thing is that we want to look out for is, and not necessarily want to look out for, but, what you want to do is you want to spend time with people that are trustworthy and loyal, right? The more time you spend with people that are trustworthy and loyal, and people that aren't, gossip guys and things of that nature. Because I'm gonna be honest, you have obviously girls gossip, right? Girls are the biggest at gossip. Let's just be honest. But come on now, guys gossip too. And it's not something that is, how can I say it? It's not something that is too prevalent, but it happens, right? And how can you avoid that? Well, hang around people that are trustworthy and loyal. Okay, when you hang around people that are loyal to you and loyal to your values, these type of men are the men that you can build relationships with and that you can grow with, right? Not the men that gossip, okay? I just want to make that clear. Build a relationship with men that are trustworthy and loyal, right? And, they're loyal to you. They don't gossip. They don't tell your business. That's how you tell they're loyal. They don't go telling your business. They keep it private, right? And they keep it between you and him. You and him. That's it. That's all it needs to stay between is you and him, right? So, that's going to be the third thing. So make sure you apply that, right? See, looking out for things is one step, but if you don't apply action behind it, you're never going to build a relationship and you're never going to see the fruits of your labor, right? So you have to apply that action behind it to really start to bond and build a relationship with people, right? The fourth thing is try to avoid manipulative people, right? People who like to manipulate situations and problems, right? Honestly, I'm not going to get too much into depth with this because this is kind of it's self-explanatory. Just don't hang around people that manipulate, right? Don't hang around people that, it all goes hand in hand. They like to gossip, they manipulate, and the thing is, they'll present themselves as being very friendly, so it might be hard to tell these people, but you are not going to build a long-lasting relationship with these people. And you want to know why? I'm not going to say all of you, but some of you have dealt with these people and you went through your breakup and this and this and that because of the drama, and you got to look out for these things so that you don't even get involved with these people, because once you get involved with these people and you get in too deep, it's too late. You're already in too deep. You're in the relationship. What you going to do? Cheat? Right? So, when we don't do that. This is not the cheaters channel. This is Make Him Love You, right? So, at the end of the day, that's what it's about. The fifth thing and last thing is just make sure that you don't get involved in petty drama and petty feuds, right? Stay away from pettiness, because I'm letting you know right now, relationships are great. They're beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. But the pettiness and the drama is what makes it a whole nother thing. And it blows it up out of proportion into something that it doesn't need to be. So if you can stay out this, that will be great. Now, you might be asking, oh, well, how? How can I stay out this, right? Well, I'm going to tell you how you can stay out of petty drama and feuds. Well, you surround yourself with positive, like-minded people. You surround yourself with people that have got things going on in their life, and they are not about any drama. That's how you do it. Birds of a feather, they all flock together. If you surround yourself with people that do drama, you are not going to build a long-lasting relationship with this man. I'm telling you, it's not going to happen. And if you try to build a relationship with this man, it's going to go down the toilet because there's no trust. How can you trust a man when he's telling everybody, all his boys, about your business? You can't. You can't trust him. You just can't trust him. So make sure you guys are staying out of the drama and make sure you guys are staying out of the feuds. Very, very important. Very, very important. If you forget everything, do not forget that. Do not forget that. So that's going to conclude today's video. And if you guys have any questions, you know where to reach me at. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you get updates every time I drop a new video. We're going 3 strong a day again. We're back to the grind. And I'm excited to be back, and I'm excited to give you guys this great content. So make sure you subscribe and continue to leave comments, and I'm gonna respond, and we're gonna definitely have a great year this 2020. Can't wait to spend this 2020 with you guys. Can't wait with you ladies. All right, so have a good day, and peace.